Alright, welcome to Big Al's Eats. Today we're going to go to the smoker, try to smoke some things. We got a bunch of stuff to smoke today. We're going to try some pies. We got an apple that's pre-made. Then we're going to take a pre-made dough that's from the freezer, add a little cherry filling, see how that gets smoked in there. Then we're going to do some cakes, some snack cakes. We got Twinkies, we got some marshmallow pie, banana, my favorite flavor. Oh, and oatmeal pies. You can't do this without oatmeal pies. So we're doing cakes and pies today in the smoker, but talking about cakes. Notice my shirt, ta-da, bakery. Trevin Alford, shout out to him. He was the kids baking champion not very long ago. Everybody should know who that is. Shout out to him. He's from Washington, Indiana, right here where we filmed this at. So big shout out to Trevin. So we're gonna go ahead and take all these pies and snack cakes, get them all organized. I need another pan. Go ahead and put this cherry filling. Give the spatula to the right. It's sticking up, yep. All right, get all those cherries out of here. Whew. Oh, probably should have did 2 cans of that. It'll be good enough for a taste test. We're just playing around tasting and testing here. So there we go. All right. So there is the apple pie that's pre-made. We're gonna put this cherry pie on there. They're probably gonna take different times on smoking, of course. All right, so again, Twinkies. Let's take a couple of these out. I'm sure that sponge of that Twinkie is really gonna take some smoke flavor. I mean, how about you, think so? I do. Let's put a Twinkie out there. Let's put a couple of them so we can have some taste testing done afterwards. Oh yeah. Twinkies, love them. Oatmeal pie. Put a couple of those on here. I'm gonna only do this 250 out on the smoker. I'm gonna say it's not gonna take very long at all, but we're gonna try to infuse as much smoke into this as we can. So I'm gonna put a couple of logs on there, get it really smoky before we put them in. So there you have it. So, let's, can't live. I think smelling them bananas, I'm gonna have a pre-test. They're good. Trust me, they're good. All right, now they are ready to go. Gonna put them in the smoker, 250 again. I'm gonna get it really smoky in there, see what kind of stuff we can do. That way we won't have to have them in there very long. Join me at the smoker. All right, we're back at the smoker. Southern Pride, gotta love it. Inside here, you know what I'm gonna say, the Carousel Love. Smoky, smoky flavor, apple wood in the side. Heated it up to 250, backed it down now to about 230. Gonna let it at least get some smoke in there. This is probably not gonna take very long, especially for the snack cakes. That should be suck it up in there. And I don't wanna get it too smoky, but it may be too smoky. I don't know how it's gonna take flavor. Let's open up these doors. Oh yeah, we're good to go. Gonna put that right there. And put the pies right there. Ooh, a little shaky on that one. Here, let's just go like that. You got them. We're gonna shut this doors. We're gonna check it every couple minutes. It's not gonna take very long in there. Now the pie that has the frozen shell, that's gonna take a little while. So we'll keep checking that one over and over and over. We're back at the smoker. I think the snack cakes are ready. Told you it wouldn't take very long. Woo, look at them. Look at that smoke pouring out of there. Look at that. We're gonna pull those out of there. Oh yeah, looking good. Pies are still looking good. Those are got a little while to go on those. See them? Looking good. Bring those inside. We're gonna try them out. Let's go. Okay, again, we got banana, marshmallows, some oatmeal pie, and some Twinkies. We're gonna cut these. Ooh, that one's, we might well get that one set up a little more. We're gonna do the oatmeal pies first. Oh, let's see. I can definitely taste the smoke. Do I say that it made it better? Oatmeal pies are so good for me. I don't know. It's hard decision. They kind of crisp the cookie up a little bit. Answer to that one, you can smoke it. Doesn't do anything for it. I'm not happy with that one. Let's try the Twinkie. I'm gonna say that this one's gonna be really smoky. That sponge cake surely took in some of that apple smoke. Let's try it. Oh yeah, real smoky. But you know, I actually like it. Okay, that one I'm good with. Twinkie smoked, applewood, I'm good to go. Oatmeal pie, wouldn't waste my time again. Let's get into the banana marshmallow one, okay? Ooh, look how ooh, it's like a s'more, you know. It's like we cooked it over the oven, or the fire. This one's gonna be messy. Messy, messy, messy. Look at that. Oh, whew. I can really smell the smoke. I'm not sure this one's gonna be okay. I don't know. And I love banana. One bite, everybody knows the rules. I mean, it's not bad. Definitely probably the smokiest out of the three. That marshmallow really took the smoke into it. Would I do it again? No, but I had fun doing it. The Twinkies, I'd eat those smoked. Oatmeal pie, kind of ruined my old-fashioned oatmeal pie by smoking it. Did crisp the cookie up a little bit. This, nope, don't do it. Trust me, don't ruin the banana marshmallow pie, because we did. Okay, I think it's gonna be time for those pies to come out of that smoker. We're gonna try those next. We're gonna be taking these pies off the smoker now. Got the cherry pie, and we got the apple pies pre-made. See what they look like. Woo! Look at that smoke just rolling out of there. Woo! What do you think they're gonna taste like? They're gonna taste pretty good, I think. But let's just see. Smoky, 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 smoky. All right. Looking pretty good. Oh. Let's take them things in there and let's cut them up and try them out. Now we're back in here. We got the pies, apple and cherry. I'm gonna go ahead and get this apple one. I'm gonna cut a piece out of it, put it on this plate here. That's the apple. Get a thin piece of this cherry pie out of here. Hot plate, hot plate. Let's see. Ooh. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Of course, I'm not a pie baker. That would be Trevin. He can make pies, cakes, whatever you want. Cupcakes. I'm not sure that the dough is done on this one. Probably not. So what we're gonna do, we got the smoke in that one. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick it in the oven just a little bit, kind of crisp that up. And in the meantime, while it's crisping up, we're gonna go ahead and try the apple one. But let's go ahead and get it in the oven. So we've already, got the smoke infused in it. So we're gonna crisp it up a little bit. Don't want to eat that dough when it's not done. But we got apple pie right here, smoked. Smoked it probably, I got my milk too. I had to get milk after eating all them snack cakes. Gotta have my glass of milk and snack cakes. So we had it on there probably around 25 minutes, a little longer than I anticipated. That one, the dough didn't get done, so we're gonna finish it in the oven. All right, so let's try this out here. I can taste the smoky. Apple wood, apple pie, probably tastes good. It's just a little hint smoke. I mean, it's actually not bad. I'm gonna say that we'll probably have a little bit more smoke in this because we have the top crust. I just don't know how much the cherries are actually going to absorb in that smoke, but we're gonna find out. This apple, I'm okay with it. Can you smoke an apple pie? Yep, and it's pretty good. We're gonna get that cherry pie out, cut a slice, we're gonna try it. And it's time to get the cherry pie out. I think we've crusted or made that crust a little better than just a smoker. We could have left it in a smoker, maybe turned it up to 300 degrees, but why not? We've already got the smoke infused in it. Let's go ahead and take it out of the oven now. Whew. He's definitely hot and crusty now. Whew. We're gonna have to get a different. Very hot. Very hot. Okay, that's better. Now I don't feel bad about eating this. It's a little done now. Probably could be a little more done, but this is what we're gonna live with right now. Again, I'm not a professional baker like Trevin. I'm just Big Al, just trying to have fun. Oh, yep. Let's see what it does here. Not a very good piece, is it? Let's get that apple out of the way. It's gonna be hot. Burn your mouth hot. I mean, look at that. Let's try it out. Wow. I didn't have very high hope for this. But you know what I'd probably do next time? I would take those strawberries, just smoke them. I mean cherries. Strawberries on my mind. But take the cherry filling, just put it in there, smoke it, then put it in a pie and bake it in the oven because I can really taste that smoke. It's kind of mild, but it's really flavorful inside those cherries. So I think you could really do that and make something out of that. Can I smoke the whole thing in a smoker? Yeah, I could have. It'd have taken a long time. So I think your best bet, if you're wanting to really, really enjoy smoked cherry pie, I would smoke the filling before you put it in the pie crust, bake it in the oven after that. Gotta be delicious. Okay. So today, we smoked snack cakes. Yep. We smoked apple pie. We smoked cherry pie. What am I gonna say about it? Twinkies, not bad in the smoker. It's not a bad snack cake in there. Not very long either. I think it was in there about 5 minutes. Oatmeal pie, didn't do anything for it. The banana, oof. Oof. Don't do that. Don't do it. Trust me. You will not like it. It was nasty. Okay? Apple pie. Apple pie smoked with apple wood. It wasn't bad. It put some flavor into that crust. Was it worth it? I really kind of don't think so. You already had all the apple flavor. Okay, the cherry pie. The cherries really took some smoke. Loved it. I love that. Would I want to cook the whole pie in a smoker again? Probably not. Just do the filling, get it smoky infused, put it in that pie crust, throw it in your oven, finish it out. Be a great pie. Great pie. So today's pretty successful. I think so. Smoked some good food. Some of it was good. Some of it was, wouldn't do again. Some of it really didn't make a difference whether I smoked it or not. So, lesson from today. Can I smoke a pie? Yep. Do I want to? Probably not. Can I smoke snack cakes? Yeah, why not? It was fun. Would I want to do it again and eat them? Twinkies maybe. Anything else? No. This series, we're going to continue to do whatever I can fit in the smoker. You've seen it. It's a big smoker. You tell me what you want to see. Comment down below. Send me an email. It's in the description down below. Support the channel. Hey, maybe you want to sponsor the channel. Email down below. Get a hold of us. We'll tell you how you can be a sponsor on a future episode. If you like this series, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up on this video. Hit the bell so we can tell you when the next one's coming out. Kind of going to do the schedule again. We're going to do Wednesdays. We're going to send out recipes off the internet. We're going to throw in some recipes that we do on the food truck. Yep, I'm going to give my secrets away. I mean, if you're ambitious enough to do them, have at it. We're going to give all the secrets away, so you don't want to miss it. Join us here next Sunday, 3 p.m., where we're going to drop another Can I Smoke It episode. What's it going to be? I'm going to leave it to your imagination. Help us out. Make suggestions. See you next week. I'm Big Al. This is Big Al Eats.